Ew, Bollywood, like Bollywood is so extra. There's so much like color and there's so much like overacting, and it's just so not my cup of iced latte. Just shut up! Shut up! Okay. I'm sorry about the accent. I'm your host and popcorn buddy Chinmay Sharma, aka Scuba Chino, and Gen Z. I'm talking to you guys right now. Just because you might have a few valid points doesn't mean we haven't made a bunch of brilliant cinema in the past. There's an entire treasure chest of beautifully made films with even better individual performances that you guys should definitely check out. So without further ado, this is Man's Life collection of the best films from yesteryear that you should definitely check out. Here it is. Sholay. Now, unless you live under a rock or on a tree or in some cave somewhere, you've got to have heard of this film. This iconic movie directed by Ramesh Sippy, starring Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra, Hema Malini, Jaya Bachchan, and a beautiful horse called Dhanno, has captivated audiences for years now. It also gave birth to probably the most iconic villain in modern times in Gabbar Singh. So guys, please, if you haven't watched it already, give it a shot. Dawn. No, not the one starring Shah Rukh Khan, Priyanka Chopra and Kareena Kapoor. That, in comparison to the original, is but a pale remake. Sorry Farhan Akhtar, we love you, no disrespect there. But guys, the original Dawn, starring the angry young man of Bollywood and Amitabh Bachchan, is iconic to say the least. Brilliant plot, some crazy twists, and wow music. Alright, I'm getting really nostalgic. So guys, Gen Z, check this film out and let me know what you think, because I think it's a 10 on 10. Now next up is Mr. India. Now before the days of I'm Batman or Hulk Smash, that's right, was Mr. India our very own superhero film starring the late Sridevi and the amazing Anil Kapoor. Now Anil Kapoor in this movie, his superpower is the fact that he can turn invisible. This film also gave birth to my favorite supervillain of all times in Mogambo Kushwa. This film also talks about nuclear holocaust, about which films are made even today, so it's still relevant guys. Check it out. Stone, paper, scissors. Always win. Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. Now this film was made way ahead of its time and is probably the first time Indian audiences saw a black satirical comedy. Commercially, the film didn't do very well, but over the years it's gained nothing short of a cult following. Watch this film for sheer brilliance. Qayamat se Qayamat Tak. Now there is a very good probability that your parents picked this film for their date night back in the day. QSQT became a bible for pretty much every romantic of that time in our country and saw the rise of the legend of Amir Khan. Watch this movie for sheer brilliance and Papa kehte hain, but I'll shut up now. Now guys, we do have an honorary mention in the film Sadma. Now this gem of a film is a guaranteed tearjerker. An emotional roller coaster starring the late Sridevi and Kamal Hassan has a very melancholic ending, so please keep your tissue box handy. It's so sad. And that was the video guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Gen Z, let me know if you'd like to add or subtract any of the films from our list, or if your parents suggested you something. For much more on auto, sports, lifestyle and entertainment, don't forget to log on to manslife.in.